Hello and welcome to English Company. Today we'll learn how to use while and a while with Alex and Maria. Okay. Hey Maria, I always get confused about when to use while and a while. Can you help me understand the difference? Of course, Alex. While is a conjunction that means during the time that or at the same time as something else happens. For example, I read a book while I waited for the bus. Here, while indicates that two actions are happening at the same time. I see. So, while connects two actions happening simultaneously. What about a while? A while is a noun phrase that means a period of time. For instance, I haven't seen you in a while. It refers to a length of time. Got it. So, a while refers to a period of time. Can you give me another example with while? Sure. She listened to music while she did her homework. This means she was listening to music and doing her homework at the same time. And an example with a while? Absolutely. We talked for a while after the meeting. In this sentence, a while means a period of time that we spend talking. So, while is about simultaneous action and a while is about a duration of time. Any tip to remember this easily? Yes. Remember that while as a conjunction often connects two actions happening together. For a while, think of it as needing an article, and a noun to indicate what? A time. That's a great tip. Thanks, Maria. I think I understand it now. Glad to help, Alex. Just remember those key differences and you will be using while and a while correctly in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to the English Company, improve your English communication. See you in the next video.